Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Wishing you all happy new year. Let's learn and grow together. In this video, I will explain this trade which I took in month of November, and this is a IPO base, and the name of the stock is EMS Limited Ltd. And this trade is totally based on price action and volume, and no indicators are used for this trade. It's totally based on price and volume. And let's go into the video. This is the stock I said, EMS Limited. Why I took this trade? Why I selected this particular stock? And this stock is recently launched IPO. IPO is nothing but initial public offering. Most of the guys will know about IPOs. It is their new stock which is coming into the market, and this stock is forming a base which is very tight, and this base will be around 2 to 3 weeks of range. And this stock listed on day of 21st September, and it was for around 1 month it was forming a base which is around 3 to 4 weeks. And then I was keeping a track on this stock from this day. It was moving around this 20-day moving average line, and it was forming a tight setup here. See these candles, these 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles are very tight, and there is no volumes in that candle, which means that there is some in- chance of breakout going to happen. And these tight candles are called pivot candles, which is very powerful candles. And I was tracking this stock on all these days, and on this day, November 6th, it broke out with a gap up, and I entered here and kept a stop loss of around 2.8% or something, 2.5 to 8%. I'm not sure about it. Around 2.5%. This was my range around 305 to 308. This was my area where I entered, and on the day it moved around 5%, and my sizing was very big because of my small stop loss. And I followed proper risk management here. I have set a stop loss of around 2.5 5 to 7% around that range. I fixed, and I took a trade here, and then see what happened. Next day it went up, and basically I will watch volumes in all the breakouts. But why there is no sufficient volumes in this is because it is a IPO stock. There won't be sufficient volume visible because recently launched, so the volumes will be very less because it is a IPO. So you have to be very keenly watching the price, how the price reacts. Based on that, I took this trade, and in the upcoming days, volume started to pick up. See here, volume started to pick up, and then it went up continuously. It was going up, and it delivered around 52% in 16 days, which is around 10 days because these days I don't consider, which is it delivered 52% in 10 days, which is good. See the stellar move, direct up move. My entry was perfect. I didn't disturb this trade. It was keep on moving up, and I exited around this candle. I exited around, I exited half quantity here, and again I exited a half here, and booked my profit of around 15% in 50% in this trade, which is very good. Guys too can find these type of IPO stock setups, which are very frequent, and you can learn how to trade this. Analyze all the IPO setups which are formed previous in the previous trends, and you can able to find this type of stocks and gain 50% in 10 days or 60% in 15 days, whatever the return may be. You can gain this type of returns. The main thing to note here is a risk management. If this trade will move against me, I would lose. My stop loss is around 2.5%. It is fixed. I have to adopt to myself that I was wrong in this trade, and I had to exit. No question asked there. If I set a stop, I have to set my stop loss first and then enter the trade. I entering here, I predefined stop. While entering this trade, I was set my mind to step a stop loss of 2.7%, and it is fixed, and I set my stop loss here, and this stock moved up and it was a successful trade. But if sometime all of the trades doesn't work this way, if this was trying to break out and squatted, Then if it hits my stop loss, I will exit out of this trade. No question asked there. You should be very clear. The proper risk management rule should be followed, or else you can't size big. All the entries and exits and how I position sized and every information is posted on my Twitter account, and the links for the Twitter account is in the description of this video, guys. You can just go through it, how I entered this trade, how I exited, what is my entry price, how I managed this trade, and other things. And further, many updates related to trading, potential setups, and other stock trading information will be posted there regularly. You can do follow, guys. And if you're really serious about trading and want to learn something in trading and achieve something, you can join my Telegram group where we will discuss about charts, price actions, volumes, how to enter a trade, how to exit a trade, and further we will conduct live sessions where we will teach people freely about price action, volumes, and many other stuffs. And you can join there and learn. If you're very serious about trading, you can join there. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, believe in it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.